Something smells delicious. Kelly's Cuisine cooking the best dishes. Food and drinks, recipes so nutritious. Kelly's in the kitchen, so don't you miss it.
Hi everyone, I'm Kelly D, and today is all about overcooked rice. Many times as home cooks or even as chefs, we have overcooked rice and many people throw them out. Today I'm going to show you how to take it from mushy to magnificent. We're going to be making rice croquettes with our overcooked rice. So let's go over the ingredients. We have about 3.5 cups of overcooked rice, a couple days old. We have some codfish or saltfish. Now we're going to boil this first to get rid of some of the excess salt. Then we're going to frizzle it. We have 1 large carrot, which I grated. We have some fresh thyme and some hot pepper. Now this is essential. You need to have your fresh thyme. We also have a bunch of chives. This is essential for this dish as well. We have 1 large onion chopped. Some additional seasonings. We have some dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, and ½ teaspoon of salt, oil for frying, some additional Bajan seasoning. If you don't know how to make Bajan seasoning, I'm going to link in the iCards above and the description box below so you can see how it's done. And we have a mixture of breadcrumbs and flour for frying. Our first step is to prepare the saltfish. We're going to frizzle it. Now we would have boiled it, so we're going to use your fingers and we're going to frizzle it. We're going to break up all the big chunks. You can use a fork if you wanted to, but it's easier when you use your fingers, so make sure your hands are nice and clean. Once we have them into some fine pieces, then we're going to fry them because we want to have them nice and dry. Now we're going to put some oil in a frying pan, medium heat. Allow it to get hot. Then we're going to add our saltfish. Now we could easily add the saltfish to our mixture as it is, but it always gives it an additional flavor once we have our saltfish frizzled. Creates a different texture and a different taste. We're going to add a little bit of onion. And there's no better scent in the kitchen than onion sauteing. Now we're going to add our saltfish. This will take about 4 to 5 minutes. While our saltfish is frizzling, we're going to add the other ingredients to our bowl. So the large bowl of cooked rice, overcooked rice, we're going to add our chives. We're going to add the carrots. Carrots have so many additional benefits. Apart from giving it good texture, it's great for your eyes. And the beta carotene is great for your skin. We're going to add some Bajan seasoning. Bajan seasoning always elevates the dish. We're going to add the extra onions. We're going to add our seasonings. Thyme, all-purpose seasoning. We're not going to add the salt yet, just in case we need to add the salt at the end. We're going to do that. And we're going to add our thyme. Now we're not going to dump the thyme in here as it is. We're going to slowly remove all of the stems. And fresh thyme always elevates any dish. Now we're going to add our peppers. Now this is really hot, so I try to use it without getting seeds. If you don't have food gloves, I highly recommend using a fork to avoid touching the pepper. Otherwise, you're going to definitely feel it in your eyes, on your skin, all over. So if you're not wearing food gloves, try not to touch the pepper with your hand. But this gives such additional flavor. So once we would have removed the seeds, we're going to go ahead and cut it and add it to our mixture. Now all of our ingredients are almost in, so we're going to start to mix everything together. Now because our rice is overcooked and soft, we will need to add water because We already have water in this rice, so we're gonna mix everything together, and it smells so good. One essential ingredient is also flour. We need to have about a cup of all-purpose flour. Flour contains the gluten that helps to bind our croquettes together. We're going to be making some tasty croquettes that can be used for lunch or dinner. We're going to add our flour now. And our final ingredient will be our frizzled saltfish. This is very similar to Bajan fish cakes. We use only flour, sometimes we use potato, but today we're using overcooked rice. Now we're gonna add our frizzled saltfish. I can absolutely eat this just as it is. So we're gonna add it to elevate and accentuate our dish. When we have it fully mixed, we're gonna form our croquettes. Now we're getting ready to form our croquettes, so make sure your hands are greasy. Whatever oil you use, it is up to you. But now with your greased hands, we're gonna form our croquettes. So gonna just get a little handful, nice and easy. And we're gonna form our croquettes. After trying this dish, you will never throw away your overcooked rice again. Our overcooked rice croquettes are done. They smell amazing. Now it's time to taste. So I'm going to get this one. I allowed it to cool for a few moments. Golden brown on both sides. We allowed them to fry for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. And they taste really good. They smell really good. Delicious, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. All the beautiful textures. You're tasting the onion, you're tasting the carrots, and of course the codfish. The start of the dish is really giving it a nice flavor, and our overcooked rice is doing its job of holding everything. If you happen to be in a situation where you have overcooked your rice, you need to try this dish. Rice croquettes. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other recipes. And once you watch them all, click the button below, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.